Hey everyone! Last time you saw us, we were pulling up the rubber flooring on the subfloors, and we found a disgusting surprise underneath. Check it out. Gross.
It's like rotting. Hey guys. Oh, didn't see you guys there. Oh, didn't see you guys there. How's it going? Today we have something very special to do. We are just removing the rest of the adhesive that was once on here. We are going to sand kills the floor. It's all wood, so we don't want it to rot. And gonna replace a couple things with wood and then potentially frame it out by the end of the day. Stick around. It's almost like metal. See that? It's like metal underneath it. Now you want the piece of wood.
Woo-hoo-hoo! We've got a new floor, everyone. Right here we ended up having to cut out one last strip screw in the frame of the bus in order to fit that square flush with the frame for the subflooring and get it all screwed in. wanted to go over what we used to patch the subfloors. We used this 5/8 plywood, and then we got some of this thin aluminum that came in a roll of 15 feet, and then we put that underneath the plywood to act as a weather barrier. And then we painted all of our plywood with this mold killing primer. Kills existing mold, mildew, and odor causing bacteria. So there's that guy.
Late night grinding with the squad.
Update. We used Bondo to patch the hole on the ceiling.